TV production.
Poor people are crying. Poor people are crying. Poor people are crying. People are suffer. Yes, people call it man Shabbos TV people. We don't know. Yeah, man, Shabbos TV people, rice people. We don't know. Call it man Shabbos TV people. We don't know. Shopping anything and everything. People are Shabbos. Let me know what I'm going with them people. Calling people talk about things. Them people Shabbos TV. I in a place Shabbos TV. I go in right Shabbos TV. Yeah, man, the poor people talk up that. Poor people want to discuss on the thing them man. Come on, poor people. Big up yourself and talk up. Don't be afraid. Talk up on Shabbos TV. Up top. Like heaven.
Yes. Yo. Shabbos TV production. Yeah, man. Poor people. I notice that everything been taken away from us. Yeah, man. The rivers and the beaches taken away from us. And now me see Downtown Park been taken away from us. Yeah, man. Downtown Park been taken away from us poor people. You know, back in the days we couldn't go to the park with a girl and with family, with kids in Christmas time and holiday time, you know. Take a picture with a with girl, with kids them and with families. Yeah, man, that can't go on again, you know, see. Them lock down the park, they lock we out of the park, bro. They lock we out of the park, we poor people out of the park. It's me people. You notice? Look at this now. They take away the park from us. And when you check it out, look at it. The other day, the mayor, the downtown keep big stage show in the park. Yeah, man. Keep big stage show in the park. And we poor people run on and go support them. You understand? We jump and we joy for them and things. I say we poor people. It's me. I think we should stop support them, you know. I think we poor people should stop being a fools and run up in them things and go support them. I think we should stop support them. Yes, because they take away everything what we poor people, where we full joy and things will make money, things will make money, things will have, where we make money off of, and take it away. All everything they take away from we. Right? Even the same not gonna keep the stage show in the park. The same mirror they keep the stage show in the park. I go in the bathroom for use the bathroom for pee. And right away, when they pee, and when I look to my left is a big strong black woman. I look down for my thing while I'm peeing. You see me? And I make me know say yo, I'm not supposed to in the bathroom and pee. So I say, why? I'm paying tax. I supposed to pee, come in the bathroom and pee as like it's a public bathroom. She said, no. The bathroom open only for you, the mirror, and your friend. You understand what I say? Yeah, man, that's what she tell me. We, the people, should go outside the road, go pee if we want to pee. Or run the back of the bathroom. That's not right. That's not right, man. We pay tax, man. Our thing that, you know. Our park, that park it belongs to we, the poor people. You understand what I say? Yeah, man. Listen to me. So I feel a lot of way about that, Mr. Mayor and thing. And now, you tell me, say, even this evening, people want to carry the kids to take all 2 photographs and can't go to the park, bro. Can't go to the park and take 2 pictures of them kids and them family, bro, and them girl. No, man. You need to do something about that, Mr. Mayor. You need to do something about that. You understand what I say? Right? And if you people thinking of say people coming in the park and people are coming in the park from destroy the park and thing, we need to put up some security cameras. You understand what I say? Or not have some security guard in the park. You understand what I say? Prevent people from, you know, come destroy whatever think the people are come destroy in the park. But you need to open back the park for the poor people, bro. For we poor people. You see me? Because sometimes if we just want to go in the park, keep back and you know, easy stress where only people put me through, I put you through, I should say. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So, Mr. Mayor, y'all show it definitely. Say, yo, watch you want to control everything. Poor people not have no rights at all. Because I see they keep stage show and I see them poor people don't come and support the show in the park. But after everything, you know, poor people can't go in the park after stage show keep because you get them locked up. And people have to stay outside and watch it bling 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 them going in the park. Yo, bro. Is it poor people paying taxpayer money? I do all them things there? Eh? And the poor people money I do all them things there? Yo, I guess Judge I know I'm Samuel. Poor people, listen this. We need to stop support them. We need to stop support them. Right? When I keep them thing, them alone keep them go them thing. You understand what I say? Right? Because remember, look into it. Them is not for us. You see me? Them are use us. You get my dealing? Right? Them is for all the rich. You understand? It's not for we poor people. Yeah, man. The next thing, next thing, you know, when we notice all with the park downtown, you can't walk on the side of the park because people don't have a public bathroom downtown for use. So people, I think, people just use outside the park for bathroom, pee on the park wall. They seen it, yo, I put it the raw way. People are load outside the park, bro. Because they not have no public bathroom. Yeah, man. They don't have no public bathroom for use. All them things are locked down. You understand what I say? They don't go home when you guys keeping something in the park. You notice that? Yeah, man. So, yo, watch out. Poor people, open your eyes. Open your eye. You hear that? Open your eye. And whatever dream or sleep in or whatever do. You try and wake up, bro. Wake up. Wake up and smell the coffee or whatever, roses or whatever. You see me? Because we know to say you're enough away at them for running into them. And they don't really care about us. You understand? They don't care about us. Support people who open their eye. Stop support them. Because they not support we. Yeah, man. Sharp Boss TV. Production. Nah. Up like heaven. Yeah, man. Soon again, bro. Do something for the poor people, bro. Open by the park, yo. I want them to know, man. I want to do.